Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip, and what we have for sale here today is a Caterpillar 307C hydraulic excavator. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine. The price on a new machine like this these days is about $95,000. This machine currently has 7,806 hours on it on a working hour meter. The weight of this machine is 18,500 pounds. The widest point is this strike-off blade right here. As you can see, we use this machine around the yard. The blade, we use the machine, so the hours might accumulate a little bit, but the highest point is the top of that cab at 8 foot 6 inches. Comparable machines are like a Bobcat 442 or maybe a Komatsu PC78. As far as options go, this machine, as you can see, has got a strike-off blade, kind of a two-way strike-off blade. It's got an offset boom, you can see there. It's got these tracks here, if you'll notice, they've got pre-drilled holes in them. And the idea with those pre-drilled holes is that you can put rubber pads on it. You can put bolt-on rubber pads, which are probably the best option if you wanted to go with a rubber pad machine. It's also got a pattern control change valve where you can change it from what I call British standard controls or backhoe style controls to cat controls or SAE controls. It's got an enclosed cab with all the glass. The AC works. As far as the engine goes, this is a Caterpillar. It's a Mitsubishi Caterpillar joint venture engine. It's a 4M40E 55 horsepower diesel engine. It's got a 36-gallon tank, which will probably run you about anywhere from 15 to 18 hours of work time between fuel ups, you know, depending on your application. Everything on this machine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks. Everything works. It's got a little 2-speed track speed, which works just fine. Top speed on this machine is 3.5 miles an hour. The undercarriage is about 85%. Let me get under there and show them. There's no leaks, and the final drives have got plenty of power, enabling them to counter-rotate. The hydraulics are strong. There are no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. All of the pins and the bushings are relatively tight. There's no kind of deflection or any problem there in the turntable area. And as you can see, the teeth on this bucket, it's got a cutting edge welded across it, but you can take the cutting edge off, and the teeth are probably about 90%. We're going to talk about the operating specs in the next clip. Okay, this bucket here, this is a 24-inch dirt bucket, maybe about a quarter of a yard heaped. The maximum dig depth straight down if this machine is, if everything's lined up, you know, you don't have the offset on, is 13.5 feet. The maximum reach at ground level from the end of this track out, again, if the offset is not set, is 21 feet. The maximum height with the offset not set is 25 feet. This machine has got a lifting capacity of 6,800 pounds. It's also got a, with this draw blade, or the strike off blade here, the drawbar pull on this tractor is defined as the amount of weight that a machine can push or pull in addition to its own weight, which in this case of this machine is an impressive 13,000 pounds. So it'll actually push or pull 13,000 pounds ahead of it. We're gonna run it in the next clip. Okay, so this is just going to show that all the gauges are working, all the lights are on, the AC works just fine. It's blowing really nice and cold. It's about 100 degrees here in Texas right now. Power on the radio works. Everything on it works. Again, here's the gauges. This is your offset boom. Here's your levers, throttle control.